Oh, good afternoon, evening, good morning, wherever you're at. Hope everybody enjoying this day. And keep smiling, cause everything gonna be alright. Live life to the fullest. Don't let nobody see your joy. Patience is definitely a virtue. Good things come to those who wait. And hold on to something if you really want to do it. Just put your mind into it, and you will get it done. But anyway, check out this rain here in my neighborhood. The rain sounds so good, but peace, love, happiness, I'm out.